Lok Sabha da Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency gi MP Angomcha Bimol Agoijamna IDP Singbu Center na haidokibagi matung inna December thas da mayumda hanjal hannaba taksinkrei. Lok Sabha da pangthokliba winter session gi 0 hour da MP Bimol na jai ani hena Khangduna relief camp te leraklaba IDP Sing masagi mayumda hanjinabagi damak honanaba wafam pukhatkibada natana government na pukchel sing na honna biduna irang asina Jai ahum sudringai mamangda IDP Sing masagi mayumda hanjil hanbiu haiba wafam thamki.
Horki beirang dagi mayum maikai leibam chahum khangdana lanjena leiba mi lising kaya ma mayum hanjage haibada hanjan hana bohona bagi mahutta lengakna sarkarna tear gas caption na phudana chaidana tawbagi phimam manipurda lei masi Makoy bu hanjan haning deba misguided maroina kuki kangbu khrana su hanjan han ba yaroi haibugi mateng pangsan bagum thokle akoina kawroi dabadi chahi ani sujala abada ngasi bawada marai bakthina leiraba lanjena ribe reicha sing se sarkar na masagi tawbam thokpu mathaudang pangthok tabadagi thokibani haibugi mahut mathakta mukshu hanjan hana bahona bagi mahutta makoi bu hanjan nadana bahona bagi da mateng pangsan ba thabok tawbagi mami yamna chawna lei masi yamna laibok thiningai ni. So I like to draw the attention of this house to the fact that there are more than thousands and thousands of people are still linguisting in relief camp, and I appeal to the government of India that they should draw up a concrete, honest and transparent plan to ensure that these people go back to their homes before we mark the 3rd anniversary of the crisis that began on 3rd of May 2023. Thank you.